friends. So today our class is speed maths. So this is very useful for any competitive exam. So to calculate very fast. So before starting our preparation for any competitive exam, we have to know some basics. We have to know some basics. So that basics are 1 to 20 tables. So all of you know at least 1 to 20 tables. Next, second thing is all of you learn at least 1 to 30 square numbers. 1 to 30 square numbers and 1 to 15 cubic numbers. 1 to 15 cubic numbers. So these are the basics we should learn before starting our preparation. So without basics, we cannot perform well. So first learn these three basics. So after this, so from 1 to 30 squares, all of you know very well. So all of you learn. So that is compulsory. So after 30, how can we calculate square numbers? That is our target. So we can calculate any square numbers within seconds. So today our class is how to find square numbers between 25 and 125 within seconds. So that is our concept. So without using pen and paper, how to calculate. So that is today class. Okay friends. So let us discuss. So these are the square numbers. So 1 to 30. These are the cubic numbers 1 to 15. 1 to 15. So regularly they ask 11 square to 11 cube, 12 cube, 15 cube. So 13 to 14. So learn. So these are the cubic numbers. So write and learn. Next we go to our topic. So first, so today we discuss three topics, three concepts. So first one is finding square numbers ending with 5. Finding square numbers ending with 5. So first 25 square how much? 25 square how much? So all of you know very well. 25 square value 625. Okay. Take 35 square. So 35 square value how much? 45 square value how much? 65 square value how much? 85 square. 105 square. 115 square. Okay now. The 125 square. So let us see how to calculate it. So 25 square value 625. So we know very well. 35 square value how much? We have to find. So 3 after which number will come? 4. So 3 after 4 will come. So 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 4, 12. Next step is 5 square value 25. Okay. So we have to follow two steps. First digit is 3. 3 square 3 after 4 will come. So 3 into 4, 12. 5 square 25. So 12, 25 is 35 square value. Next 4 after which number will come? 5. So 4 into 5, 20. 5 square 25. So 45 square value 20, 25. 65 square value how much? 6 after 7 will come. 6 sevens are 42. 25. 8 after 9 will come. So 8 nines are 72. 5 square 25. 10 after 11 will come. 10 after 11 will come. So 10 into 11, 110. 25 square value 225. 11 after which number will come? 12. 11 into 12 how much? 132. 5 square 25. 12 after which number will come? 13. 12 into 13 how much? 12 tens are 120. 12 threes are 36. 120 plus 36. 156 25. 156 25. So like this, we can find square numbers ending with 5 very fast. So these are the tricks. Okay. So first concept is how to find square numbers ending with 5. So first take first digit. So that suppose to next number, take next number 3, multiply 2 3s are 6, 5 square 25. So we can find without using pen and paper. So our target is don't write on paper or notebook. So within your mind only we have to calculate. So that is our target. If we use pen means, so waste. Suppose 95 square how much? So 95 square how much? So 9 after 10 will come. So 9 tens are 90, 25, 90, 25. 75 square how much? 75 square how much? How much? 7 after 8 will come. So 7 8s are 56, 25. 56, 25. So like that we have to calculate. So this is our first topic. Next topic is finding square numbers. Finding square numbers between 25 and 75. Between square numbers 25 and 75. So how can we find? So between 25 and 75, which number will come? 15. So between 25 and 75, which number will come? 25. So take that is the base value. Okay. So take 50 as the base value. So next point is, so use 25. We use 25 to find square numbers. So keep these 2 points in your mind. So if you want to find square numbers between 25 and 75, take 50 as base value and use 25. So let us see some examples. First one, 52 square. 52 square how much? How can we find? First point is 52 is how much more than 50. First point is, what is first point? 52 is how much more than 50. 2 na. So 2. So square that number. So 2 square value 4. 2 square value 4. But don't write 4. We have to fill 2 digits. We have to fill last 2 digits. So write 0 4. Write 0 4. Second point, second step is add these two to 25. Okay. Add these two to 25. So 25 plus 2, 27. So that is 52 square value. So clear friends, what is first step? So take given number is how much more than 50. So square that number. So fill 2 digits. Next add that number to 25. Next 57 square. 57 square is 57 is how much more than 50? 7. So write plus 7. So 7 square value 49. So add 7 to 25. So 25 plus 7 32. So 57 square value 32 49. Next, suppose take 63 value, 63 square. 63 is how much more than 50? 13. So 63 is how much more than 50? 13. So 13 square value, how much? 169. 13 square value, 169. So here 3 digits are there. But we have to fill only 2 digits. So carry 1, 69. Okay, carry 1, 69. Next add 13 to 25. 25 plus 13 how much? 38 plus 1, 39 plus 1, 39. So 63 square how much? 3969. Suppose take 74 square value. 74 square. 74 is how much more than 50? 24. 74 is how much more than 50? 24. 24 square value how much? 24 square value how much? 576. So carry 576. Add 24 to 25. 25 plus 24, 49 plus 5, 54. So 74 square value how much? 5476. Next, take 46 square. Take 46 square. 46 is less than 50 na. So 46 is how much less than 50? 4. 46 is less than 50. So take minus 4. 46 is 4 less than 50. 4 square value how much? 16. So minus 4. So subtract 4 from 25. 25 minus 4, 21. So 46 square value 2116. Next 38 square value. 38 is how much less than 50? 12. So minus 12. 12 square 144. Carry 1, 44. So 25 minus 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So 38 square value how much? 1444. Okay friends. So this is the trick to find 25 and 75 squares. Next one is, so next point is finding square numbers between 75 and 125. So between 75 and 175. So between 75 and 125, which number will come? 100. 100 are. So take 100 as base value. Take 100 as base value. Next thing is, keep this point in your mind. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So let us see some examples. So 90, suppose 103 square how much? 103 square how much? 103 is how much more than 100? So here base value how much? 100. So compare every number with 100 only. Compare every number with 100. So 103 is how much more than 100? 3. How much more than 100? 3. So 3 square how much? 9. 9 means 0, 9. 3 square 9. So next step is double that number. Double means 3, double 3, 2 times of 3, 6. So add 6 to 100. Add 6 to 100. So 6 plus 100, 106. Okay. So let us check. So 103 into 103 how much? 3 3s are 9, 0, 3. Next to 103, 10609. Okay. Next 107 square. 107 square. 107 is how much more than 100? 7. How much more than 100? 7. 7 square value 49. Now 2 times of 7 how much? So here add 2 times of that number 200. Add 2 times of that number 200. So 2 times of 7, 14. So 14 plus 100, 114. So 107 square how much? 1144, 9. Suppose 113 square how much? 113 square how much? So how much more than 100? 13. How much more than 100? 13. 13 square value how much? 169. So carry 169. So 2 times of 13, 26. 26 plus 100, 126 plus 1, 127. So 113 square how much? 127, 69. Suppose 97 square how much? 97 square how much? 97 is how much less than 100? 3. So less means take minus. Okay. So 97 is how much less than 100? 3. So 3 square value 9. 9 means 0, 9. So 2 times of 3 how much? 6. 2 times of 3 how much? 6. So minus, so less than, so subtract 6 from 100. So less than means subtract. More than means add. So 3 times 2 times of 3, 6. 100 minus 6, 94. So 97 square value how much? 9409. Suppose 89 square how much? 89 square how much? 89 is how much less than 100? 11. How much less than 100? 11. So 11 square value how much? 121. So carry 1 to 1. So 2 times of 11, 22. 100 minus 22 how much? 78. 78 plus 1, 79. So 89 square value 7921. The last, see one more example. So 78 square how much? 78 square how much? 78 is how much less than 100? 22 now. 78 is how much less than 100? 22. So 22. 22 square how much? 484. Carry 4. 84. 2 times of 22, 44. 100 minus 44, 56. 56 plus 4, 60. So 78 square value how much? 6084. So these are the tricks to find square numbers up to 125. Up to 125. So all these calculations we have to do in our mind only. So don't calculate on papers. So that is our target. If we use paper means, so these all tricks are not useful. So let us find some more examples without using pen and paper. Suppose 92 square, 54 square, 71 square, 39 square, 81 square. Okay. So see, so randomly we have to calculate it. So 92 square, 92 means less than 100. So 8. So 8 square, 64. 8 square, 64. So 2 times of 8 to 16. 100 minus 16, 84. 100 minus 16, 84. So within single step we can find. So 54 square. 54 means less than 75. 54 is how much less than 50? How much more than 50? 4. So 4 square, 16. So 25 plus 4, 29. Okay. 71. 71 is how much more than 50? 21. 21 square how much? 441. 21 square how much? 441. So 25 plus 21, 46. Plus 4, 50. Plus 4, 50. So 39 square. 39 is how much less than 50? 11. 11 square, 121. 11 square, 121. So 25 minus 11, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1521. 81. 81 is how much less than 100? 19. 19 square, 361. So 19 double 38. 100 minus 38, 62. 62 plus 3, 65. So 81 square how much? 6561. So like this we have to calculate in exams. Okay friends. So these are the tricks which are useful for exams. So in next class we will discuss some more problems. So next week we have some classes every day by day. We are conducting YouTube classes. So next week schedule is so Monday. So 20 July 20. So sum of consecutive numbers class is there. So that is 8th class, 15th chapter. So continuation. So already we have discussed some classes. So this is last class in playing with numbers, chapter 15, 8th class. So Monday class is sum of consecutive numbers. Tuesday no class. Wednesday 22nd. 22nd Wednesday is prime and composite numbers. That is 6th class. 6th class, chapter 3. Next, Friday class is HCF and LCM part 1 and the HCF and LCM part 1. So 25 Saturday is speed mass. We will discuss speed mass class and we can discuss speed mass class. So these are the schedule for next week. So all of you listen and follow the YouTube channel. So if you like this video, so like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.